What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of share trading. Now I know what you're thinking, share trading, isn't that risky? Well, yeah, it can be, but like anything worth doing in life, it comes with its own set of risks and rewards. The key is to minimize the risk as much as possible, while maximizing your potential gains. Before you even think about buying your first stock, there are a few things you need to know. We're not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme here. This is about setting yourself up for long-term success. Let's get started. First up, we're talking market trends. The stock market is like the ocean. It's got its own currents, tides, and sometimes it throws you a curveball in the form of a massive freaking hurricane. Think of it like this. Would you buy a swimsuit in the middle of winter? Probably not. Different industries perform better at different times depending on a whole bunch of factors. By understanding the forces that move the market, you can make more informed decisions. You're actually aiming, doing your research, and understanding the why behind your investments. Alright, number 2 on our list is having a solid trading plan. It's like having a roadmap before a road trip. You don't just hop in the car and drive aimlessly, do you? You gotta know where you're going, how you're gonna get there, and what you're going to do along the way. Your trading plan is your roadmap to success in the stock market. It should outline your investment goals, your risk tolerance, and your entry and exit strategies. So, be smart, have a plan, and stick to it. Chapter 3. Risk Management Strategies. Protecting your hard-earned cash. Now let's talk about risk management. This is where a lot of new investors screw up. They get caught up in the hype, start making risky trades, and then boom, they blow up their accounts. That's why you need to protect your downside. Set stop-loss orders, diversify your portfolio, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Chapter 4. Continuous Education. The learning never stops. Alright, tip number 4 is a big one. Continuous education. The stock market is constantly evolving. New trends emerge, companies rise and fall, and the economy throws curveballs your way. You need to stay ahead of the game if you want to succeed. This means constantly learning, reading books, listening to podcasts, following industry experts, and attending webinars. Remember, knowledge is power. Chapter 5. Emotional Control and Discipline. Keeping your cool in the heat of the moment. Last but not least, let's talk about emotional control and discipline. This is arguably the most important tip on this list. The stock market is a roller coaster of emotions. Successful investors are not emotional traders. They stay calm under pressure, stick to their trading plan, and make rational decisions based on logic and analysis. Learn to control your emotions, and you'll be well on your way to success. Outro now, go crush it. There you have it, folks. 5 must-know tips before you dive into the stock market. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Happy trading, and remember, knowledge is your best investment.